I bought 2,000 worms online. Let's talk about it. So the other day I got completely grossed out simply because I completely forgot what I ordered. In this box are 2,000 worms. But why do I need 2,000 worms? I'm finally moving on to the next step in setting up my Subpod composting unit. It needed paper or some sort of carbon, so I'm using some cardboard from whatever box that I had around. I ordered composting worms, specifically composting worms from Uncle Jim's Worm Farm. There probably was 1,000 in each. There was 2 bags. We spread them out amongst the 2 different chambers that they have. This is what it looks like between the 2 of them. This is a bird's eye view of the garden bed with the Subpod in it. Now, our daughter, believe it or not, wasn't grossed out by the worms. I would have at her age, but we made it into a family project and we soaked the top blanket and she put it on the top and we were done. So stay tuned for the next step. Follow for more.
Right? Put the cover of things. That's it.